Hi everyone, my name is Kristin Hayes. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to be making this really quick and easy birthday card using the hot air balloon bundle. So let me just show you the bundle quickly. It comes with a really pretty stamp set and coordinating dies, so you can do all different kinds of balloons. There's even a heart shape, there's some clouds in here, there's some detailing pieces. It's really pretty. We're not going to be using many of the stamps today. I'm going to show you how to do it really quick and easy using the dies. So the DSP we're using is the Lighter Than Air. It's 6x6 DSP, and it's in some really pretty colors. I'll just go through, if I can get my hands on it correctly, to show you all the different patterns that we've got here. Really cute. And I love the colors together, nice pastels. And we're going to be using quite a few of these papers today. You can see I've already gotten into it a bit. All right, so what I did is I have a piece here of Pool Party. This is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Then I have a piece of Basic White. This is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And then I have two pieces of this DSP, the Lighter Than Air. This is cut at 5 1/4 by 1 3/4, I think. Let me just measure that really quick to make sure I have the right measurement for you. Yes, 1 3/4. I didn't write it down. I said I can remember one measurement, and then there I go. So we're just going to put this on the Basic White, and I just left a really thin, maybe 1/8 of an inch at the bottom here. And then I flipped it around and did the same thing. All right, another 1/8 of an inch right there. And then we just have a little bit, just breaks it up a little bit for a little bit of a different look. We're going to adhere that right to our base. Look how pretty the yellow in the Pool Party is. The yellow is Lemon Lolly. Alrighty, so then I've got our balloons here, our pieces. I already put these through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I did 3 of the different pieces, different colors of DSP. So you can see those. And on this one that's going to be in the front, I use this piece here to cut out a middle piece, just to give it a little more detailing. And we'll adhere that right on here. So you just have to line it up with the side, and it'll go right over to the other side. All right, so then let's put our balloons on here. We are going to do a little stamping with the sentiment and the basket for the balloon, but we'll get to that in just a minute. All right, then we've got this one. We're just gonna bring it down a little bit more just to give it, so you can see them all. And then this one, let's see, I've got some dimensionals here. We're gonna pop up, since this one is in front, we're gonna pop it up on some dimensionals. Alrighty, and we're going to leave room for the basket down here. There we go. All right, so now let's do our stamping. So I have the basket we're going to do in Pool Party. Like that. And then the sentiment we're going to do in Flirty Flamingo. Just like that. Alrighty, and I just wanted to show you really quickly. This is the first Pool Party basket I did. I hope you can see that on the camera, how light it was, and I really needed to just re-ink my stamp pad, and I always recommend when you're getting a stamp pad to get the re-inker with it, because you don't realize how much you really may need it. Just even use and time and, you know, heat in the summer, and you can just never know when you're going to run out and then you want it. So let's pick up our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and get these cut out. All right, let's see if I can get that in the frame. So now this piece, the sentiment, it just fits in this flag. You can see it almost looks like you're cutting off the letters, but you won't, because it does have that little bit of a border around it. And then this piece goes in right here like this. Alrighty, and then we're just going to put it on our machine and run it through. Alrighty, grab that. All right, so we've got our basket and we've got our sentiment, and see how it came out really nicely. It looked like we were going to cut off those letters, but like I said, you really don't. All right, let's put this down here. Now I'm going to take a little mini dimensional and pop up our basket. And then just tuck it in right here, like that. And then for our sentiment, I'm going to put a dimensional on this side and some seal on the other, because it's half and half. It's half off the balloon and half on. Just like that. And then I'm just going to use some of these dots. These are the rainbow adhesive back dots. And we're just going to scatter a few on here. We'll put one up here. The bigger ones are a little bit hard to use the gummy end on, but the other ones work well. And you could have used any color you wanted, really. And that's all there is to it. So here's the card we made. And here is the original. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them listed down below. And all my social links will be listed below as well. Thanks so much for watching.